Due to COVID-19, everybody now wants chicken.
You better watch this video.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarah. Guess what, guys? We have chicks coming.
Whoa.
We are out in the farm, and I'm gonna be doing a video on everything to start you guys off with chickens, baby chicks. I have my husband with me, and he's gonna join me in on this video.
What's up, guys? My name is Bobby Blackwell, and I have a little channel also, and it's called Graceland Farms. And what I try to do is just basically show people that it doesn't take a rocket scientist to farm, and this is pretty easy. It's fun, and also you have food for your family that you raised, and you know exactly where it came from. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is all for you.
All right, guys, so let's get on to the videos all about chickens. If you are looking to begin with chickens and you're looking for a guide to how to get started and what you need to get started with chickens, check out this video.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to kind of explain what we have with our brooder here. We've just got a black tote, and you can get whatever color you want. If you wanted to get clear, you could see through, that would be perfectly fine. Just a good sturdy tote. We've got our heat lamp and our infrared bulb. We've got a feeder.
Some people like to use a lid to feed their chickens when they're really small chicks. And we've done this, but we've discovered that if you use a lid, it really gets like really dirty really fast. So that's why we prefer to use this feeder. It keeps everything out of it, and we just really like it because we've done it both ways, and this works a lot better.
We've got a water, and there's one thing about our water that a lot of people, we put marbles in ours. And it's just to keep the chicks from climbing in there and walking around and pooping in the water as much. We like the marbles because they're pretty cool looking. And then in the bottom of our brooder, we use paper towels. They're very cost effective, and we feel like they keep the smell way down. We used wood chips for a while, and the wood chips, the chicks were actually eating the wood chips. I don't want them to be eating the wood chips, so we decided to go with paper towels and try it out, and we've done it. I think this is our 4th or 5th batch probably that we've done like that, and it's worked out very well. The smell's been kept down, and it's very easy. So today I'm going to show y'all what we call magic water. The main ingredient would be the apple cider vinegar. You want to make sure and get the right kind. There's a lot of folks out there that get the cheap stuff, and it's not worth it. This has mother in it, and it's also raw and unfiltered. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of honey, and if you've got anybody around you close by that does honey, you want to use something that's close to your home. Just a lot more benefits out of it. But if you don't, this right here, we really like this kind. 1 clove of garlic. This is like electrolytes for chickens. It's going to boost their immune system. It just kind of gives them a really, really good jump start. You want to feed your chicks for the first 2 days. See how simple that was? All I'm going to do now is just stir it up, and it's ready to go.
Open up, shut it down like a guitar. Open up, open.
You give it a hug? Pepe, give it a hug. All right, guys, these are our incubators. Whenever you buy them, they're going to tell you that you can get 9 to 12 eggs in. Okay, and what that means is there is an automatic turner that comes with them. and it moves this back and forth and it turns your eggs. So if you use this, you can only get 9 to 12 eggs, okay, depending on the size. But if you take this out of play, you can really load these incubators up, okay? And this one, I believe there's 16 eggs, and there's actually one that's pipping right now. So I'm gonna close this back up. I don't wanna leave it open too long. I don't wanna shock them. Basically, they need to stay around 99 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. Anyways, if you do choose to take the egg turner out, the automatic egg turner, you will have to turn these eggs daily, okay? At least once a day, you'll have to open it up and you'll just roll the eggs around. And that's to make sure that the yolk doesn't stick to the inside of the shell. And the hen will actually turn the eggs underneath her as she's sitting on the eggs. We really like these because they're small, they're very mobile, they're easy to move around, they're easy, you can put them in different places. We don't hatch a whole lot of eggs at one time, so this is perfect for us. But with these two together, you can hatch 40 chicks with these two incubators. For chickens, you're looking at between 18 and 21. I've had them hatch on the 18th day, and I've had them go all the way to 21 days before they hatch. But we really like these.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it taught you something all about chickens and that you can start your flock. So if you like this, if it was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.
Go buy some chicks.